There's a ton of bass just sitting here. Tons of them. Got him, y'all. Yes. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It is October 1st, Breast Cancer Awareness Month. That's what this video is about. Breast cancer awareness. My mother is a survivor of over 30 years, so I wanted to do this challenge for her and anybody else going through this situation. For every fish I catch, I'm donating $10 to breast cancer awareness research. The goal is to catch a fish with each lure. So without any further ado, let's get us some breastless fish. I got these big bites, these super pink worms by Big Bite here. Cheap, it's only like $1.99. And of course I got some Zoom Super Flukes. Found them in bubble gum. And then we have some Yamamoto custom baits, 5-inch worms. I don't know the color, but they have a pink tip. Let's go way out. We going way out. Nice. Let's see if we can get us a fish with a pink lure. Water's super clear. I can see my bait. No fish yet. We got us a fish. Yeah, we got a fish, guys. We got us a fish. We got our first. Oh no! Ah! You know what? I'm still gonna count that. That's $10. That's the first $10 donated to breast cancer awareness with the Zoom Super Fluke. All right, now let's go back in the same spot. So what I'm gonna do is when I catch a fish with one lure, I'm gonna switch off to the next. Let's get way out there. Let's get us a fish. Let's land us a fish now, guys. Let's land us a fish for breast cancer awareness. These fish are hungry. The wintertime is coming. They want to beef up. They want to put some fat on their bodies. Now is the time to fish. Got him, y'all. Got him. Yes, sir. We got us another fish. That's $20 right there. Yes, we got us a fish, guys. Breast cancer awareness. Yes, got him right. Oh, no, you ain't going nowhere. Yes, that's $20. There it is, guys. Now it's time to switch off. Let's try to catch a fish with another one of my pink lures. Yes. All right. I had one fish. It got off, but I'm going to still donate $10. Here's 20. There's another 10. The pink bubblegum Zoom Super Fluke. Yes. Catching fish for breastless. So I got some hammer hooks here by Guggen Squad, some 4/0 hammer hooks. They're not offset, but they're perfect for worms and stick baits. Let's go with these first, since it's a pink challenge. These are pink, they got a pink tip. I'll try those in a second. Well, let's go with the big bites. These are some pretty bright worms. It's gonna be interesting to see if I can get something with it. But that's what the challenge is about. I saw this on a YouTube video. He pressed it all the way up on the worm so that you'll have a better chance for the fish to grab it. You have a better hookup. All right. I don't want it too janky. Let's just slightly skin hook it. Yeah, there we go. It's not quite where I wanted it, but we got a fish, or is it? I just caught him something. We got a fish. Yes, sir. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on with the salad crap. Yeah. Pull him through the salad. Pull him through that salad. Pull him through the salad for the breastises. Pull him through the salad for the breastises. What we got? Oh, we got a pickerel. We got a pickerel, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. We got a fat pickerel. Look at this thing. Got him right through the tongue. Great hook set, man. Great hook set. It's a good hook set right there. Got my little clampers here. Hey, easy. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Alright, now I'm gonna touch you. Slimy sucker. Slimy sucker. Yes, there it is, y'all. That counts too. Yeah, I can't really, but all right, guys. That's, whoa, $30. Pickerel caught him with that big bites worm. Yes, sir, man. Nice fish. Gary Yamamoto baits are pretty expensive. Man, things we do to fish. Whew. That's an exercise doing this. Wow, it's a ton of bass sitting right in front of me. I'm just gonna cast out right here. It's a ton of bass just sitting here. Tons of them. Got him, y'all! Yes! This is a nice one too. Look at that. Gary Yamamoto. Hello. How you doing? It's a nice fish. Whenever you can grip a fish like this, yeah, it's pretty nice. $40. Catching fish for breast cancer awareness, people. That's $40. It's 4 fish. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4 fish, y'all. Look at that. That's a nice fish right there. The Gary Yamamoto. The pink tip there, huh? That's 4 fish. This one is off the Gary Yamamoto, Motu, the pink tip there. That's 4 fish. This is not a giant, but it's part of my challenge. Every fish counts. 4 fish, $40. I'm not done. I am going to keep trying here, but I definitely want to hit some more spots and donate as much money as I can, but I'm happy about this. It's nice. Pink lures work, people. Let's see if we can get a fish from out there. Oh, big fish following it. Got him, y'all. That's another 10. There it is, $50, y'all. $50. It's another fish. It's not big, but it'll do. Still a dink, I don't care. Fish is a fish, right? It's $50. GoPro. Oh, I forgot to. Not bad with the Gary Yamamoto worm. Yamamoto, the pink tip. They like it. I'm up to 60, I believe, or $70. I'm sorry, but I will get it right. There's another fish added. We move spots. As soon as I throw it in, yeah. Nice. Right, let's go way out there, y'all. See if we can get us another fish for our challenge with the Gary Yamamoto worm. Something's got it. Got him, y'all. Yep, something's got it. Nice fish. That's a nice fish. Pull him through the salad. There he is. Pull him through that salad. We got a salad bass. We got a salad bass. Salad bass. Look at all that crap. This worm, they like this worm. Gary Yamamoto. It's a nice fish. That's $70, y'all. It's a nice fish too. Look at him. That's a decent fish, huh? Not bad. Pulled him up through a salad. Got him with the Gary Yamamoto. Nice. All right, guys, I'm definitely up to $70 now. There's another one with the Gary Yamamoto worm, the pink tip. They like this thing. $70 towards breast cancer awareness. Great cause. So I'm a wacky rig this on a wide gap worm hook and see what happens. I'm gonna wacky rig it. I've never caught a fish wacky rig style. Got him, y'all! Oh, my first fish ever wacky rigged. Got him! Oh, nice fish, y'all. Wow. It's $80. Wacky rigged. I don't even know if you're supposed to do it with a wide gap worm hook. But I did it anyway and caught a nice one. Look at him. Look at him. It's a nice fish. It's $80. Nice. There it is, y'all. $80 worth of fish. I wanted to get 100. I didn't tell you guys that, but there's another one. Had a great time doing this challenge. I got to get to work. I stayed a little bit longer than I should have. But yeah, man, today was fun. Today was real fun. Let's see if we can get another one wacky rig, y'all. Let's see if we can get another one. Wacky rig style. Yup, we got another one, y'all. Wow. We got another one, wacky rig style. Wow, look at this. That's $90. I spoke too soon. That's $90. Wacky rig style, y'all. That's some nice activity going on over there. What is that? That's another fish, y'all. That's $100. Mission is complete. Mission is complete, y'all. $100 worth of fish. Another fish caught wacky rig style. Whoa, you really got a hold of this thing, don't you? This makes $100. $100 will be donated to Breast Cancer Awareness Foundation by yours truly. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for being a part of this challenge, Mr. Bass. Great morning of fishing, y'all. All right, man. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. Yes, challenge complete. Catch fish with 3 different types of pink lures for breast cancer awareness. Yes, I caught 9 fish. 1 got away, but I'm gonna still donate $10. So that's $100 I'm donating to breast cancer awareness. I gotta get to work. I completely forgot I was having so much fun. But this challenge was definitely fun. I'm gonna put this video together and then I'm gonna hit another spot with pink lures and I'm gonna try to catch fish there. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I put new videos out. Because I'm MrJaxn and I be fishing.